here's what we need. It's skinny spaghetti. We need any kind of tomato sauce you like, some bell pepper, jalapeno, avocado, tomato, onion, garlic. Now, what are we making? We're making a chili mac. And that is some good taco cheese I got. And I'm only using about a quarter of a pound here because, right, I'm only eating this for lunch. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook your vegetables. Get them nice and soft. And then we're going to add our ground beef. Make sure you break up your ground beef really well. Keep the fat in, you guys. We want that fat. Fat is good for us. Add your tomato sauce. I mean, fat is good for us a little bit. We're going to add some cumin and then toss in our noodles. I'm going to put that cheese right on top and smother this with cheese, right? It is a chili mac and cheese. So, you guys, it took about 10 minutes. It is as creamy, cheesy, and as good as it gets. I have some pickled jalapenos if you like, and some avocado. I mean, look at it. It's like ooey, gooey, cheesy, heavenly, and you got to give it a try.